Bizarre names for simple concepts in computing. Today, object-oriented programming. What? Does it have to do with objects? Or orienteering, which is finding your way around with a map and compass? Nope. So, what is object-oriented programming, or OOP for short? It's a way of organizing code. It's an abstraction. Abstractions are like a map to a terrain. It can be more useful because it hides features that are not important. So the object abstraction does two things. Number one, it combines data, or the state of the object, and functions, or the methods of the object. And number two, it responds to messages. That's it. No, really, that's it. Here's an example. I should take a pause here and explain quickly how message passing happens in an object-oriented language. Typically, this is done with dot notation, where you have an object, a dot, the message with the arguments in parentheses. This is a very common pattern. In JavaScript, a function call needs parentheses, but a properties, which is data, doesn't need it. Here we can see all three things an object must do. It must combine data, functions, and respond to messages. So we are sending two messages to the hello string object. The first one is a two uppercase function call because it has parentheses, and it knows what to do. It knows to modify the original string and return it in uppercase. And the second one is a property, and it's extracting data that is associated with the object hello, and it knows its length, which is 5, which are the 5 letters for hello. So that's it. It combines data, a property, functions to uppercase, and it can respond to messages using dot notation. So next video, I'm going to explain why object-oriented programming became such a big deal. By the way, oriented, while I know what an object is and I think I've been able to explain it, I'm a little fuzzier onto what oriented is. Now, there are lots of oriented things in programming. There's aspect-oriented, there's event-oriented, but I am not sure if this came before object-oriented or after. So if you know, please reach out and put it in the comments and I'll update the video. Thank you.